Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes Bootmgr is missing error and solutions in Windows 7. Boot with bootable CD or USB. Press Shift and F10 keys. Type disk part. Type list disk. Select your disk, type select space, disk space, 0. Type list space volume. Type select space, volume space, 1. Type assign space, letter equal to V. Type exit. Type bootrec space, /fixboot. Type bootrec space, /fixmbr. Type vclan. Type cd space, boot. Type attrib -h, -r, -sbcd. Ren space, bcd space, bcd.old. Type bootrec space, /rebuild bcd. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.